All right, guys, we're back at the Nike factory outlet at the block in Orange. There is a small line, typically just about 5-10 minute wait. Okay, you guys, it's been about 3 weeks since we've been last here, so we'll go ahead and find parking. All right, guys, we're here back at Orange Nike outlet. Waited like 5 minutes. We're just waiting in line. Alright guys, we're back at Nike. We're gonna go check the hash wall. Quick look at the basketball. They have LeBron Witness, trays, and the big wall. Gonna check the footers. This is the biggest size. Jordan 30 23s. 225 down from 3. Jordan 23s. Alright guys, we're at the bigger size. I did see Soon Victory Waffle. There it is. See True 1 plus 30% off. Right, you have these Gore-Tex Air Force Ones. Alright guys, you have these Air Zoom BB Necks. It's been sitting here, so. Dude, they have these Air Max 2 Light Prim for $39.99 minus 30%. Wow. And they have these Giannis 2. Retail price minus 30. Right, and they have these Air Max 720 818. 99 minus 30%. And they have a lot of these Gore-Tex Air Force Ones. Quick look at the size 10.5s and smaller. I get a general idea, you guys. Looking at this, they have these Air Max 1s in this flower colorway. A lot more of the LeBron Witnesses. Here is another LeBron. And we have these Nike React Circuit. And right above that, you have a lot of the Air Max 720 818 from the aisles now in the hash wall. These black on white Air Max 97s. Retail minus 30. Alright guys, we're at the smaller sizes. Get more of these LeBron Witnesses. We have these Kyrie 5 traps. More of the Zoom Freak 2. They do have a Retro 4.5 Animal Print 2.0. And right above that, they have the Twin Squad. Yes, and the LeBron 17s, kid sizes are 8. So 140. And they have these Kyries, 7.5s, retail price though, with discount. Or above that, Air Max 95s, 99 minus 30. More of those LeBrons and another set of Kyries. Again, we're at the smaller sizes, 109 minus 30. And you guys, these triple white Air Max 95s are still here after like 3 weeks, a month since my last visit. We have the Air Max 95s and these colorway. And of course, in between, they have the Element 55s. Okay guys, a quick look at the aisles. I'm not going to go through each one since they're pretty much all the same. So just a quick run through. You have these Nike Soft BB4s for $74.99. Full size run, you guys. And of course, they have these, the LeBron Low, white metallic gold, retail price though. Full size run from 7 to 13. And right next to it, they have the LeBron low, the Witness red, triple white. And they have these Kyrie, the white and black. Full size run, you guys. And you guys wanted to know what I'm wearing? I'm wearing the Cool Grades low. And they have these SB Bruin React. All black for retail minus 30, so 70 bucks. Some soccer cleats, you guys. The Superfly 7. Right, so we have the Air Max 90 and full size run for 99 bucks. Yep. So we're in the women's. You have these Joyride dual runs, $69.99. And we're in the women's section. We're at the big sizes. I'm gonna go down. I do see some element 55s. This colorway, 49. Yeah, these ones, Nike Zoom Vista gear. Yep. You see these 95s. And this print, what is this? Air Max 95 Premium, 126 from 180. We have these 98s. 67. Have these other ones. I'm gonna look at the big kids. All these different ones. They have a lot of these Zoom Freak ones. In this colorway. I'm gonna grab one for you guys. Nope. From 100, basically 50% off plus 30%, so it's like 35 bucks. And they also have like Air Max 1s or Air Max 90s. Air Force 1 with the React, the newer Air Force 1. They have these soccer cleats here. Over here, the kids, the smaller sizes. There. And for the kids, they have them here. Alright guys, I did bumped into a subscriber, so thank you again. Quick shout out to Monique. Nice seeing you. So I'm in the apparel. I'm not gonna go through the apparel. They had the sales last week, so all the prices are pretty much whatever is tagged. So they're like these 40% off. So, and since this is the orange store, they have Dodgers and Angels apparel. So they have these JDI tees. Just do it in yellow, almost like yellow Amarillo Lakers. 225. Alright guys, I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm gonna check out. Did find these Air Max Light for 39 minus 30%. So it's like 27 bucks, 28 bucks. Alright guys, thank you again for joining me at another Nike outlet vlog at the block at Orange. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please comment, like, and share down below. Until the next video, you guys, peace. I did want to do a quick shout out to Monique, a subscriber. Thank you for saying hi. It was nice meeting you.